how we're going to overcome these challenges. As we see in challenges, now we're going to see the solution to the challenges. So first challenge is data security and privacy. So how we can overcome this? It can be overcome by stricter parameters, enforcing the encryption by default, keeping the transparency between consumers and service providers, configure network hardware, and install the latest software updates to prevent security vulnerability using firewalls, antiviruses, and increasing bandwidth or cloud data availability are some of the ways to prevent security risk. Second thing is with having a tight security protection protocol for the cloud solutions, and third one is evolving corporate culture that ensures data security at utmost level. Fourth is training and certifying the IT staff to handle security issues with an appropriate solution and appropriate action to be taken and protocols to manage. Protocols also need to be set by this to handle data security. Fifth one is using security tools that can reduce the threat of security hassle to a large extent. So that's, these five things are the biggest and easiest efficient solutions to the data security and privacy of the system. So we can easily put these things together and have a data security and privacy uh, challenge can be solved. So second is the biggest one is the cost management. Cost management in cloud computing is big. For auditing systems, you have to audit systems regularly and implement resource utilization monitoring tools. These are the some ways to organizations can fix this cost management issue. It is one of the most effective ways to manage budgets and deal with your major challenges in cloud computing. So it's seeking assistance from also cloud management technology to manage your cloud expenses. So that's also going to solve cloud cost management, involving a partner in a business who is good at managing and have skills to operate cloud. So have a partner with you who can share the load of business, how budget cuts create, and specialized teams who manage cloud. Specialized teams will also going to audit and make it more efficient and effective use of your money. So that's also going to help you. Now third challenge is multi-cloud environments. So in multi-cloud environments, using a multi-cloud data management solution is a good start for enterprises. Not all tools will offer specific security functionalities and cloud environments, but grow highly sophisticated and complex. So when open source products like Terraform providing a great deal of control over multi-cloud architectures. So these are some solutions, technological and technical solution can put together to use multi-clouds, adapting best practices such as performing research and training within staff and your software engineers, dynamically managing the vendor relationships. uh, Dynamically you have to manage each vendor and have a good communication between all of them, so they can develop and solve errors and issues and develop new technologies to smoothly communicate between each other, residing the process to involve all stakeholders and cloud patterns, integrating cloud solutions by various service providers into one, and managing and maintaining proper infrastructure to encompasses the entire functioning. So that's what we can easily manage the multi-cloud environments by applying these things. So next, see for the performance challenges, how we can solve performance challenges. Performance challenges are, there are several strategies that can be employed to optimize cloud performance, such as load balancing, auto scaling, database optimization. Load balancing helps us to evenly distribute evenly, but means like load, you have to optimize load by sharing between 2 3 servers, or adding vertical or horizontal scaling by doing that, or adding more processors or more RAM or more storage. This way we can easily solve the performance challenges. So ensuring that each server is not overloaded with results. Auto scaling enables better softwares, cloud resources to dynamically allocate these based on demands, allowing for increased capacity during peak usage periods. Database optimization involves fine-tuning database configurations and optimizing queries to improve performance. So that's a big that these are the things you can do to optimize performance challenges. Additionally, you can cloud provider may offer performance monitoring and analytical tools that allow users to track performance of their applications and identify any areas that require improvement. These solutions can help us organize to ensure that their cloud-based services are performing optimally, delivering a high-quality user experience. So this is how you are going to make a performance improvements in cloud environment. And so now just go further and look up to next one, interoperability and flexibility. So you have to switch services in between the vendor to vendor and cloud providers. So setting cloud interoperability, portability standards in organizations and before getting to work on projects can help solve this problem. In use of multi-layer authentications and authorization tools is also encouraged for account verifications in public, private, and hybrid cloud ecosystems. Being careful while purchasing cloud facilities from multiple cloud providers, assuring from the start that service involves are compatible with other providers and understanding the requirements from all ends. So having compatibility with other providers is the big thing in interoperability and flexibility in the system. So that's a thing you have to just make sure in the two you would have to remember. So sixth thing is a big high dependence on a network. So bandwidth and internet requirements increasing by the bandwidth by upgrading the network infrastructure. You can solve this challenge by increasing available bandwidth. You can improve the performance of cloud computing solutions and redundancy. Use a redundant network to ensure if network goes down there is a backup network that can take over to maintain uptime. Load balancing distributed network traffic across multiple servers to avoid the bottlenecks and optimize performance. So also you can do hybrid cloud, implementing a hybrid cloud solutions where some workloads are processed on premises and others in the cloud can reduce the dependence on the network and provide better performance for critical applications. Next one is edge computing. Moving some processes closer to the edge of the network can reduce the amount of data that needs to be transmitted over the network, reducing latency and improving performances. So let's see the seventh challenge and its solution: lack of knowledge and expertise in the cloud computing environment. One solution to this challenge is lack of knowledge and expertise. Its cloud computing is to provide training and development programs for employees. Companies can invest in their employees by providing them with the necessary skills and knowledge to efficiently manage and utilize the cloud technology. This can include training on cloud security, data management, and application developments. Additionally, you can do companies can partner with cloud service providers that offer support and resources to help with the implementation and management of their cloud infrastructures. By investing in this employee training and partnership with experts, we can companies can overcome the challenges of lack of knowledge and expertise in the cloud computing. So that's a very easy, or you can say applicable solution for the lack of knowledge and expertise. So these are the seven solutions for these seven challenges we're seeing today now. So we can end the video now, and there's nothing much more to discuss about it. So thank you for all the ones who uh, understood. Thank you for everyone for listening till end. Thank you so much.